G'day guys, Greg here. Now I was watching YouTube the other day, a channel called Shaggy Trails, and he made this toasted sandwich. Now, I couldn't tell if it was the most disgusting sandwich I've ever seen or one of the greatest. It did look really spicy, so spicy that it could probably burn the rings off the planet of Saturn. Now, I thought to myself, I've got to try this sandwich. So I've got the ingredients to make it today, and let's just see what one of Shaggy Trails' sandwiches is really like. So for this recipe, what you'll need is some hot English mustard, some jalapenos, some hot chili sauce. This is one of Shaggy's favourites. Some white pepper, a cooked sausage, some slices of cheese, a couple of slices of bread, and of course you're going to need some butter. Oh, I love this stuff. Did you know that butter is actually 4 of the 5 major food groups? Could be true. Anyway, let's start cooking. Alright, well for starters we need to butter our bread on the outside. You could also butter it on the inside if you like. That'd be awesome. But for this sandwich, I'll just use the outside because we got some stuff to put on the inside of the bread today. Now I'll just gently flip one of those pieces of bread over. And the first ingredient, we need the hot English mustard. So it's going to be pretty spicy, this sandwich. And I do love hot English mustard, especially with sausages. Next thing old Shaggy uses is some jalapenos. Now these things are really spicy too, so this is the second thing that could really do some work on your intestines. And he wasn't shy with these things either. He loves his jalapenos. One for there. And now we've got the sausage, but we need to cut it up so it fits nicely on the bread. And by the magic of YouTube, well, I'll just do this. Woo, amazing. So, you just lay the sausage in there. Now, one of Shaggy's favourite sauces is this Master Foods hot chili sauce. He loves it. He especially loves it on sausages. And again, he's not shy with it. Puts a nice squirt of that on. Next, he adds the cheese. I'll probably add a little bit more than he did. And he finishes this off with some white pepper. White pepper can be pretty spicy, and he doesn't go shy with this stuff either. Oh yeah. Now Shaggy normally uses a sandwich press for this, but I'm using a frying pan today because I like to slow cook my toasted sandwiches a little bit differently. Now I've been warming it up. I just wondered, oh yeah, boy, that is hot. Well, it's a medium hot heat actually. You don't want it too hot or you'll burn the outside of your sandwich. So it's a medium heat. I'll just add a little bit more lubrication and we'll put the sandwich in and slowly get this cooking. So everything heats up in the middle and the cheese melts to perfection. The slower you cook this, the better. Don't forget to move your sandwich around so it doesn't stick. You can even push it down if you like. Alright, well it's been a few minutes. Let's give it a flip. Oh, beautiful. Now we can really push it down. A few more minutes on that side and this toasted sandwich should be done. Yep, looking good. Alright, let's cut this up, well, in half. See what the inside looks like. I'll go the triangle cut because that's one of my favourites. Ooh. Ooh, it's got some nice colours in there. That's looking good. I can really smell that chili sauce in this. Alright. Well, let's give Shaggy's Sanger a go. Whoa. I was almost too scared to swallow it then because I could feel the heat just welling in my mouth. But yeah, I mean, that actually tasted pretty nice. Oh, man. It's pretty spicy. And the blend of all those heats actually works well together. I already have sweat trickling down my forehead. So if sweating when you eat food is one of your favourite things, mate, this is a sandwich for you. Man, this sandwich is pretty spicy, although it's not overwhelmingly spicy. It is warming my mouth and my tongue, and I can feel it being digested. And tomorrow, I tell you what, I'm pretty sure I'm going to feel it on its way out. But there's just something about it that's really nice and tasty, and, well, I am really into these sorts of things, so this is definitely one that I'd be making again. And it already feels like I've lost about 2 kilos of sweat. It's like a gym workout that you eat. Well, Shaggy, I'm giving this recipe a big thumbs up. I'm a big fan of spicy, and the way you combined all these spicy things together, well done, mate. Well, I'm going to finish the rest of this off, and I won't need to go for my jog this afternoon because I feel like I've already been. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook someone else's recipe. See you then. Ooh yeah!